English to Gujarati survival phrases.
હું બોલતો નથી.
And.
શું તમે બોલો છો?
Welcome, brave traveler. Hey, you are about to learn 2 super useful Gujarati phrases that can save your day, your dignity, and possibly your train ride. Let's keep it fun, practical, and easy to say out loud. Today's stars are.
હું બોલતો નથી.
Which means, I don't speak, and.
શું તમે બોલો છો?
Which means, do you speak? These are survival phrases. They are like tiny language umbrellas, not fancy, but extremely helpful when conversation rain starts falling on your head. Your 2 magic phrases. Say these slowly with me. You do not need perfection, you just need courage and a mouth. Phrase 1.
હું બોલતો નથી.
Meaning, I don't speak. Phrase 2.
શું તમે બોલો છો?
Meaning, do you speak? A useful example.
હું ગુજરાતી બોલતો નથી.
I don't speak Gujarati. Another useful example.
શું તમે અંગ્રેજી બોલો છો?
Do you speak English? Tiny breakdown, big confidence. Let's peek inside the phrases so your brain can stop treating them like mysterious noodles. They are actually very friendly noodles.
હું
Means I.
બોલવું
Is the verb to speak.
નથી.
Gives you the idea of not.
ભાષા
Means language. In the question.
શું તમે
Helps form, do you, and.
બોલો છો?
Is speak. So when you hear.
શું તમે બોલો છો?
Think, hey, are you a speaker of this language? Station drama. Now imagine you are at a busy station. People are moving, chai smells amazing, and someone asks you a question at lightning speed. Time for your heroic line. At the station, you smile politely and say,
હું હિન્દી બોલતો નથી.
I don't speak Hindi. Or maybe you ask for help.
માફ કરશો, શું તમે ગુજરાતી બોલો છો?
Excuse me, do you speak Gujarati? Congratulations, you are now a calm traveler instead of a panicked potato. Funny dialogue. Let's make this memorable with a little comedy. Because your brain loves weird scenes almost as much as it loves snacks. Person A says.
શું તમે અંગ્રેજી બોલો છો?
Person B says, a little, yes. Then a parrot in a tiny hat interrupts and says.
શું તમે બોલો છો?
Even the cat, clearly exhausted by this social situation, mutters.
હું બોલતો નથી.
And somehow, the parrot is still the best communicator in the room. Repeat after me. Your turn now. Say each line out loud like you mean it, even if your confidence is currently wearing pajamas.
હું બોલતો નથી. હું ગુજરાતી બોલતો નથી. માફ કરશો, હું આ ભાષા બોલતો નથી. શું તમે બોલો છો? શું તમે અંગ્રેજી બોલો છો? શું તમે ગુજરાતી બોલો છો?
Memory tricks. Let's glue these phrases into your memory with a few playful images. The stranger the image, the happier your memory becomes. Picture a traveler at the front door saying,
હું બોલતો નથી.
before entering. That is your polite closed door. Remember.
નથી.
As the little not sign in the sentence. Imagine a bridge made of words for.
શું તમે બોલો છો?
This question helps you cross into understanding. Hear the rhythm.
શું તમે બોલો છો?
It rises like a polite question. If it helps, think HBN.
હું બોલતો નથી.
Tiny acronym, big rescue. Mini quiz time. No pressure. This is a friendly quiz, not a dragon guarding a bridge. How do you say, I don't speak, in Gujarati? Answer.
હું બોલતો નથી.
How do you say, do you speak, in Gujarati? Answer.
શું તમે બોલો છો?
What does
હું ગુજરાતી બોલતો નથી.
Mean? Answer. I don't speak Gujarati. What does
શું તમે અંગ્રેજી બોલો છો?
mean? Answer. Do you speak English? Real life challenge. Now let's make it useful in the wild. Imagine actual people, actual noise, and your actual brave face. Scenario 1. You are lost in Ahmedabad. You ask a helpful stranger.
શું તમે અંગ્રેજી બોલો છો?
Scenario 2. Someone speaks quickly to you in a language you do not know. You smile and say.
માફ કરશો, હું આ ભાષા બોલતો નથી.
Scenario 3. A local asks if you speak Gujarati. You answer.
હું ગુજરાતી બોલતો નથી.
Scenario 4. You want to ask politely, do you speak Gujarati? You say.
શું તમે ગુજરાતી બોલો છો?
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned 2 small Gujarati phrases with huge practical power. You now know how to say.
હું બોલતો નથી.
And how to ask.
શું તમે બોલો છો?
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use these phrases in real situations, and do not worry about sounding perfect. Every time you try, your Gujarati gets stronger. See you in the next chapter.